Indoor TV without physical installation. Hello everyone, I'm Gil Herme from JMV Technology, and today we're going to talk about how media insertion was done on indoor TVs. A long time ago, we would walk past those TVs that displayed offers or product advertisements and we would be impressed. Nowadays, this type of procedure still impresses, but with the technologies we currently have. Who isn't impressed when visiting or watching Times Square with those gigantic indoor TVs and images that look like they are real? However, in order for those TV screens to display content in the past, it was necessary to carry out procedures considered archaic today. If we observe, there are still some places that perform procedures in this way, which can generate a lot of work. Let's cover some of these options that were used in the past. USB stick or memory card. This procedure seems easy to use, and it is, but it generates a lot of work with the media. Each time you need to alter it, you'll have to remove the card or USB stick and insert the new videos. As a result, your broadcast could be without content until this procedure is done, not to mention that you must go to the location to remove the device. The use of a VCR or DVD player was also widely adopted. This was even more complicated because in some cases it wasn't possible to replace it, having to use a new tape or DVD each time new content is added, and have the same need to go to the location for the necessary changes. The use of a computer connected to the TV was the most sophisticated at the time, and possibly still widely used. By connecting the computer to the TV, you can create a playlist, but also fall into the same situation of having to go to the location to adjust or add the playlist. Another option I had, which also exists, was to remotely access the computer to make the necessary changes. Nowadays, we have more advantageous and sophisticated options like using a web TV. You can also create your playlist online and only insert a playback link via the internet on your TV. With this type of technology, you can create your playlist wherever you are, schedule the time, day, month, and years of content, and also customize a running player with a watermark, ads, visuals, and more. And best of all, you can make the same content available to multiple TVs at the same time with only one web TV. A much simpler and less laborious way to solve your indoor TV. And for using a web TV on your indoor TV, count on JMV Technology. We have everything that is most technological through all of our web TV plans. Nothing like what is on the current market. Access our QR code or visit one of our websites to learn about our technologies. If you liked it, leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social networks.